Let's take a look at Teknion's Altos wall system. The unique stick-built design provides unparalleled flexibility for your construction schedule. We can either ship direct to the site, or as in this case, we bring products to a local storage facility, allowing us to deliver to site only the items we plan on installing immediately. For example, we can deliver and install ceiling track before or while your floor coverings and ceiling tiles are being installed. In this case, one pallet holds every piece of ceiling track that is required for an entire floor. This valuable space-saving approach, continued throughout every step of the installation, frees up the floor for other trades to function efficiently and unencumbered. Once your floor covering installation has begun, we can deliver framing and begin installation in any areas where floor coverings have been installed. This compacts your schedule, and since we will only occupy a few square feet of floor space, it allows other trades to work simultaneously. As your floor covering contractor progresses, we simply follow behind, laying floor track and adding vertical and horizontal framing. Because of the ease of accessibility to our frames, your phone and data vendors can either begin cabling immediately, or you can choose to bring them in at any point during or after the installation process. Enjoy the benefits and freedom of a flexible schedule and a clutter-free job site. Next, we can bring fascias to the site. Again, delivering only the materials that will be installed immediately, maintaining a free and clear space for other trades. In order to accommodate electrical inspections, we can simply apply fascias to only one side of each wall, allowing for a quick inspection to be performed whenever the inspector decides to arrive. Furnishings can be installed prior to the inspection, again providing additional flexibility of schedule. Recycled denim installation can be easily added for additional sound absorption. Once the inspection is complete, we simply apply the fascia. Fascias are easily removed and replaced, allowing your work environment to be changed as needed at any time. Other materials, in this case glass frames, are delivered to the site while your other contractors continue to complete their respective tasks. To complete the installation, doors are delivered, and we install them as they arrive. The Teknion Altos system, the stick-built approach that saves you time and money by simplifying your project, compacting your schedule, allowing other trades to work simultaneously and unencumbered, and being fully reconfigurable. Now that's flexible.